Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to translate messages on Facebook Messenger. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger on your mobile device. Tap on one of your chats. Tap on the message box and copy the message that you would like to translate. To copy a text from Messenger, simply long press the text and tap on copy. Once you have copied the text, you can find a translate icon on your keyboard. Tap on it. On the first box to your left, select the language the text that you copied is in. On the second box to your right, select the language you want the text to be translated to. Tap on Enter Text to translate and paste the text you just copied. Tap on the Translate button at the bottom right of your screen. Now you can see the translated message on the message box. And that's it. This is how you translate messages on Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.